So now we have Parrot Rush, playing a video game. Parrot Rush, yay. So Parrot Rush, a little fruity, a little bit. She's got the long hair, which is cool, but maybe not. I shouldn't criticize Parrot Rush too much, probably. But he's got that fruity long hair, with the voice or whatever. He's just like, yeah, I'm playing Parrot Rush games. but he's a full-grown man. Kind of a thin guy. Whatever. Yeah, Parrot Rush. What an interesting fellow. If you enjoy Fruity Pebbles. Yeah, I guess I ain't really got much to say about Parrot Rush. I wonder who he's talking like now, like a parrot. I wonder who he's repeating. Probably repeating anybody. I don't know. The chat probably just says whatever the chat says. That's what I picked up on. I guess pretty easy. Anyway, that's Parrot Rush. I'm introducing Parrot Rush. Yeah. Awesome.